हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हाउ आर यू? यस बाबूलाल, कैसे हो? वेरी गुड. अच्छा चलो, लेट अस स्टार्ट to understand about the basic character of amine compounds. In amine compound, finally amines are derivatives of nitrogen, otherwise you can say ammonia also. As per electronic configuration of nitrogen, outermost orbit of nitrogen possesses total 4 orbitals. Among the 4 orbitals, 3 orbitals possess unpaired electron and 1 orbital possess paired electron. These 3 unpaired electrons are responsible for 3 covalent bond formation, and this pair is not responsible for. Pair को भी bond नहीं बनाता. It is known as a non-bonding electron pair. It is also known as a anti-bonding electron pair. Third name is lone pair of electron. That means when nitrogen form 3 bonds, at that time one lone pair electron is to be present on nitrogen atom. Now you see, as per Lewis acid base theory, Lewis base and Lewis acid, the substance which is ready to donate electron pair is known as a Lewis base. Substance which is ready to gain electron pair is known as a Lewis acid. The substance which gives hydroxy ion in aqueous solution is also known as a Lewis base, Arrhenius base. And substance which gives H plus ion in aqueous solution is known as a Arrhenius acid. अच्छा, amines के बारे में, in case of amine, we should have to understand the basicity of amine, basic character of amine. There are some factors affecting the basicity of amines. First one, stability of conjugated acid. Acid always gives conjugated base and base always gives conjugated acid. Second one, concentration of OH. Then value of Kb, ionization constant of base, and pKb value. These all factors are affecting on the basicity of amines. First of all, we take the primary amine. This is basic. Water में aqueous solution बनाएंगे. Basic always yes, gain H plus. That's why one H plus will migrate from water to amine. Finally, our product will be RNH3 plus. This is conjugated acid of amine base, and this is the conjugated base of acid. Basicity of amine always depends upon the stability of this conjugated base. Yes, if this conjugated base is more stable, then yes, base we will say it is the strong base. If this conjugated base acid is less stable, then base will be weak. As per equilibrium law, Ki, ionization constant, is equal to product divided by reactant. Product RNH3, concentration of RNA3 into concentration of OH upon concentration of amine into concentration of water. Now you see, concentration of water is always constant as 55.5 mole per liter, molarity. That's why constant value always is to be merged with Ki, ionization constant. Therefore Ki ये इनके साथ मर्ज हो जाएगा. Ki into H2O is equal to RNH3 into OH concentration upon RNH2. Now you see, Ki is the constant, H2O concentration is also constant. Therefore दो कांस्टेंट मिलकर नया कांस्टेंट मिलेगा Kb, ionization constant of base. Therefore, Kb is equal to RNH3 concentration into OH concentration upon RNH2 concentration. As per this equation, this is second equation. As per this equation, Kb is proportional to OH, concentration of OH. Kb value more होगी तभी OH, concentration of OH will be more, then basicity will be more. Kb value less, at that time OH concentration will be also less, then basicity of base will be less. One more thing, pKb is equal to minus log Kb. Therefore, can we write pKb is equal to log Kb raised to ये minus 1 into यहाँ चला जाएगा Kb raised to minus 1. Therefore, pKb is equal to log Kb raised to minus 1. This is equation number 3. Now you substitute second equation in third equation. Kb की value substitute करो. तो pKb is equal to log Kb की value RNH3 plus into OH concentration upon RNH2 concentration whole raised to minus 1. If you want to remove minus 1, then ये ऊपर चला जाएगा, ये नीचे चलाएगा. Then pKb is equal to log RNH2 concentration upon RNH3 concentration into OH concentration. From this formula, pKb is inversely proportional to OH concentration. अब देखो strength of base हर एक फैक्टर में 1, 2, 3, 4 चार के चार फैक्टर यहाँ दिया है. These are all the factors which affect on the basicity of base. Stability of conjugated base. This is the conjugated base. Conjugated base is then OH ion concentration, then Kb value, then pKb value, and strength of base. Yes, if the stability of conjugated base is more, OH and concentration is more, ionization constant will be more, and less pKb value, strength of base will be more. Means you can say strong base. If stability of conjugated base is less, OH and concentration is less, ionization constant value of base will be less, and pKb value more, at the time strength of base will be less. Means more pKb value indicate the less strength of base. अब देखो ये pKb की value 3 to 42, 4.75 and more than 4.75. Yes, aliphatic amines की वैल्यू इस रेंज में रहती है. Then 4.75 is the pKb value of ammonia and 4.75 is the pKb value of aromatic amines. Okay, तो यहाँ aliphatic amines के ये जो बेसिक ऑर्डर इस पर से मिलेगा. Aliphatic amines is more basic compared to ammonia, is more compared to, yes, aromatic amines. This is the basicity of amines. Okay, Babu? Okay, friends, thanks a lot. We will see next topic in next lecture.